Good morning. We're here today with Brady Blaeser from Blaeser Auto here in Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin. Brady's moved to a new location here. He's been selling cars for a few years up in Tilden, Wisconsin. He's remodeling a building here. We're fortunate enough to have the opportunity to do a very large inventory reduction sale for Brady here. And not only vehicles, there's a 2019 Cat 259D skid steer on the sale, a Fiat wheel loader, several pickups, many SUVs, ATVs, C10 step-side pickup, a 1986 Jeep CJ7, a wide variety of things outside of just your average vehicles.
I'm Brady Blaeser. I've been selling cars for about 12 years and collecting many different vehicles from power sports to classic cars, trucks, SUVs. I come from a concrete background working with Excel Energy, and we sell a lot of their equipment: digger trucks, boom trucks, skid steers, trailers, work vehicles.
Tell us a little bit about the Fiat loader and the skid steer.
The loader has about 11,000 hours on it. That was one of my personal pieces of equipment. I've had that for about 6 years. I also have the fork attachment. The skid steer has just over 400 hours. I purchased that brand new. It has heated seats, air conditioning, Bluetooth radio, every option I could get at the time in 2019.
A couple of pieces that I really like on this sale are the 1986 CJ7 and the Chevy C10 step-side.
That was a frame-off project. Every component on it's brand new from the ground up. I bought it mostly done mechanically. The motor is a blueprint engine with a cam. It has a Summit transmission, custom wheels and tires. It's lowered. It's a very nice truck. It's super clean. That's actually one of our personal vehicles that we're putting in the sale. Brand new tires on it. It's a nice running vehicle and dependable that I put my wife in. It's another one of our personal vehicles, but I just have too many. It has new tires and wheels on it. It's a 4-cylinder, turbocharged. The Challenger has the Hemi engine in it. Another one for my personal collection. The Telluride, we put a new Reman engine straight from Kia in it and brand new tires. It's a very nice car with the third row. We have a high demand for that all year round now. That's a very clean box van, inside and out. It has a lift gate on it. We've been using it very much through the moving process ourselves, and very dependable, nice truck. A high volume, high output deck with the larger engine. I bought that to mow my grass at one of my own properties. I bought it like a month and a half ago. Still under warranty. They're all club car tempos. Most of them are gas right now. We do have a few electrics in there. I'm also selling my personal collection of ATVs, a few snowmobiles, mini ATVs, the Quad Zinger, the Tri Zinger, PW50, and a few other bikes.
Open house for this auction is going to be August 21st from 9:30 to 2:30. Marine Credit Union will be here doing some pre-financing to get pre-approved for the vehicles that will be on the sale here. Buyer's Bar in Tilden will also be here starting at around 11 o'clock. Rumor is they have an amazing potato salad, so come join us and check that out on August 21st, once again from 9:30 to 2:30. Keep an eye out for this upcoming auction. This auction is going to close on August 25th at 6 p.m. Get on there, register early at hansonauctiongroup.com. Go on there, check out all the items that will be available on this sale. Thank you.